Hey everybody, it's Roger from Roger's Reviews. Just had to go out today and get my mom some water and take some water to my guys. You can still get out and do the essential things you need to do if it's very important. Just limit your contact with people. I know there's some things you just have to get out and do, but just wear a mask, wear your rubber gloves, sanitize everything. Even when I go to my mom's house, I don't go in. I just drop off what she needs, pick up what she doesn't need. So help those people that can't get out and do those things. The older people don't need to get out. So if you're a little bit younger, healthier, go out and get those things done that need to be done for those people that don't need to be getting out. But just be safe about it. Like I said, wear your mask, wear your gloves, sanitize everything, limit your contact to people. Also, too, you can sign up for Cash App. A couple of my guys signed up for Cash App today. If they need something, they need money or something happens, I can send that money to them immediately and they'll have access. You need to do it a couple days ahead of time in case they need they send you a debit card as well, so they can buy anything anywhere, buy stuff online. They can even sign up for buy and sell stocks. I mean, you can do everything with Cash App. So if it's something that and you can send and receive money to everybody as well, so it basically eliminates that contact. So that's another good thing. If you guys sign up for Cash App, you can send and receive money, and you also get a debit card, so you can make transactions without any physical contact. So that's a pointer. Anyway, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. Please stay safe out there. The sooner we're going to get it over this a lot quicker if people don't go anywhere. So only go somewhere if you absolutely need to, and help out those people that can't get around. do the running around for them, and just be safe about it, and we'll get over this soon, I hope. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please crush the like button and share it. Help somebody else out. Be safe.